Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. This is Jacob. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about Kokoro.js, which was just released. And in my previous tutorial, I showed you guys how to build a Kokoro TTS with API server. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to build Kokoro.js on Kaggle step by step. And that being said, let's get started. So if you go to Kokoro's GitHub repo, they've created a new folder called Kokoro.js. And if you go to Kokoro.js folder, basically there's a demo folder. So this is where the Kokoro.js built. So if you build everything from the demo folder, you should be able to see something like this, which I already built. But there's a couple of issues if you go through their README. And so some of the steps are missing, and there are a few issues you have to also fix. Let's create a notebook on Kaggle, and let's take a look step by step. So if you want to set up Kokoro text-to-speech JS or WebUI version, like this one, first on Kaggle, you have to update the Node.js version. So the default Kaggle Node.js is a little bit outdated. So just do a npm install global.js and do a global Node.js stable install. So this will give you a stable version of Node.js, which you can see that's Node v2012. And after you upgraded Node.js, and just clone the Kokoro.js repository, and also go to the Kokoro.js folder, do npm install. So this is a extra step that they're missing in the README. So if you look at the README, they actually cd to the Kokoro.js demo folder. So you also need to actually install the dependencies on the Kokoro.js folder as well. And then go to the Kokoro.js demo folder and do npm install to install all the dependencies. After that, before we go to fix all the issues of the Kokoro.js, and let's first install ungrok to actually expose everything in the notebook to the outside. So as you can see here, this is AF64. So, and this is AF64. So this is running right now. Make sure you install ungrok, create a function to run bash command, and also get your ungrok password or ungrok token from ungrok console. Then map the public URL to the localhost 5173, which is the Kokoro.js running port. So after that, we can fix the code. So if you look at the vite.configuration.js in the demo folder, there's an issue with the import of the Kokoro TTS. So basically, to fix that, you add this section, which is resolve alias Kokoro.js. Make sure it's actually using the node modules Kokoro.js source Kokoro.js. So at least on Kaggle, you have some problems, and add this should remove that issue. So that's the second issue besides the npm install. And the third one you have to fix is the voices.js. So the Kokoro.js.source.voices.js. So the issue was, so if you go to the get voice file, so because it's set up on Kaggle, so the problem with some routing issues. So instead of reading from a local file, which is actually included in the Kokoro's GitHub folder, just directly download from the Hugging Face. So which is this folder. So basically, they're actually downloading from this Kokoro 82M ONX folder. So basically, they're reading from this folder and just directly download from that Hugging Face repo instead of reading from the local. So, and that's it. So these basically are the fixes you need to do. And then after that, make sure you go to the demo folder, run a npm run dev, and that's it. So you should be able to see something like this. So let's refresh the page. So you can see this is running, and let's test it out. So this is the default prompt. And then we just select default American female and select other voices. Let's test once. Generate. And this is actually on CPU, not on GPU. So let's go back to Kaggle. You can see that this is on GPU. So let's see how it performs. Okay, so let's hear it out.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Pretty good. So let's change to another voice. Let's change to Michael. Generate again. Okay, let's try that again.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
It's pretty good. So that's it. So if you want to set up everything on Visual Studio Web, I also have a tutorial for that. I'll put the links in the description. And that's it. So this is how you actually set up Kokoro.js on Kaggle. So hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.